Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see Pench National Park, which is well-known tiger reserve from Madhya Pradesh of India. The name is derived from Pench river which is flowing through the park. We went from Nagpur side by road. The distance is about 78 kilometers. We had booked in Machan Village Resort, which is located near the Turiya Core Zone of Pench Wildlife Sanctuary. We were pleased to see eco-friendly resort surrounded by thick forest from all sides. This was the cottage allocated to us. It was looking very beautiful. It had a very nice garden. The rooms were decently furnished and cozy. After seeing the swimming pool, we were sure that we are going to enjoy our stay in this hotel. We had taken 4 safari rides. Post our lunch, our safari began. Here you can see line of gypsies. First day we went to Turiya Gate. Now we are inside jungle. Here you can see monkeys or langur. This is jungle is full of them. In animal communication, an alarm signal is an anti-predator adoption. Monkeys have 3 distinct alarm calls for leopard, tigers, snakes and eagles. Here you will see warthog. They are close cousins of wild pig. They usually are seen digging for roots and tubers and wallowing at the edge of water bodies. This is sambar, which is a large deer and it's a favorite prey of tiger. They are often found near water and are good swimmers. They commonly communicate by footprints and scent making. They deposit their urine in specific places and transmit a signal through odor to fellow animals. It is known as territory making. Here you can see cheetal, which is a spotted deer. They are known as a vocal species. Cheetal alarm calls are often used as an indicator of the presence of tigers and leopards. Here you can see charsinga. They are 4-horned deer. There is a sambar too here. This is nilgai. This is largest antelope. It is considered to be sacred animal or a mother of animal in Hinduism. Now here comes the most interesting part. We have spotted leopard. You can see its well camouflaged fur with the nature. They can run with a speed of 58 kilometers per hour, leap over 6 meters horizontally and jump up to 3 meters vertically. The leopard depends mainly on its acute sense of hearing and vision for hunting. Cheetal, impala or similar animals are favorite prey of leopard. Since beginning of safari, we were keen to see tiger, but after seeing this leopard, we were very happy. At the hotel, they had arranged Christmas party in the night. It was very cold, almost 7-8 degree temperature. We enjoyed bonfire with music and buffet with variety of cakes and sweets. We started our second day safari from Khursapur Gate. Here is a group of gaur, which is Indian bison. Wow, they are in good numbers. It is a strong and massively built animal. The gaur grazes and browses mostly upper portions of the plant, such as leaf, blades, stems, seeds, or flowers of grass species. They move in herd and their population is very large in this forest. Due to their size and power, gaur have few natural predators besides humans. They are prey to leopards, tigers, and large crocodiles. Our guide was telling that they are probably sensing predator and hence they are hanging out in this area. Since we were eager to see tiger, we also waited for a long time at the spot. But after some time we saw them moving away, so we also left that place in search of tiger. Now here comes peacock. This is a female peacock which is also known as peahen, and with her you will see handsome peacock. It has a distinct beautiful tail which makes it different from female. Nature has blessed peahens with handsome peacocks. Here is barking deer. It is among the smallest deer species. It makes sound like barking when frightened by predator. Here is a group of spotted deer. And suddenly we heard alarm from monkeys. Our guide told probably there is a tiger around that area. We saw monkeys too. And after some time we saw footmarks of the tiger on our way. So we decided to keep track of those footmarks and go ahead. At some distance we saw 2-3 gypsies and we thought probably there is something, so we decided to go there. And what a miracle! We saw tiger. The tiger came out, walked royally in front of us, telling us, "Stay away, don't come near to me." Here he comes back again. All gypsies are moving backward. We were told that he is marking his territory. Within a fraction of minutes, tiger went back to the jungle. But we were very happy that day. Our aim of the trip was accomplished. We had a very close sight of tiger. Third day, besides tiger sighting, another interesting part of our trip was to happen, that was night safari. We enjoyed during the day in the hotel, and in the evening we took night safari. We went to Kasava buffer zone. This buffer is mostly open wooded forest with the preferred animals like leopard and tiger. It was cold night and the sky was looking beautiful. We were hearing sounds of birds and alarm by deer and monkeys. Ah, what a surprise! We saw a leopard sitting on the tree. We could see his spots and the shade only, but still, it was interesting to sight a leopard in the night on the tree. After spending some time with leopard, we went ahead and here we saw a glowing tree in the pale moonlight. This is known as ghost tree. We were told some ghostly stories about this tree during our campfire earlier night. We were not sure about it, but it was looking beautiful. And the moment we moved forward from this tree, what miracle happened? We were speechless when we saw tiger walking in front of us in the night in the jungle. Wow! It was the best part of our night safari and overall trip. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi. See you soon.